A fleet of harvesters, working as one. Thousands of acres, cut every day. Cut at the base. Thousands of stalks, every single second. Transferred directly. Freshly harvested paddy, by the ton. Loaded trucks arrive at the mill. Tons of freshly harvested paddy delivered daily. Into the hopper, millions of tons arriving non-stop. A dozen lines running together, millions of tons moving as one. Pre-cleaned first. Pre-cleaned first, straw and debris removed before milling. Stones removed precisely, protecting the mill and the grain. Husks blown away. Air separation, perfectly precise. Nothing missed. Unhusked grains caught and sent back. The husk stripped away, revealing brown rice underneath. Brown rice, flowing by the millions of tons, ready for whitening. The bran ground away, brown becoming white, grain by grain. Stage after stage. Millions of tons whitened to perfection. Bran collected separately. Nothing from the grain goes to waste. Graded by length. Long grain, short grain, broken, all separated. Polished to a bright shine, the finish that makes it premium. Color sorted at lightning speed. Only pure white grains pass through. Dozens of sorters running at once. Billions of grains checked every hour. Pure white, bright and clean. Millions of tons finished and ready. Stored in massive silos, millions of tons ready for packaging.
Weighed with precision. Every portion exact, every single time.
Filled by the thousands. 1 kilogram at a time, non-stop. "25 kilos per sack. Thousands filled every hour. Stitched tight, every sack sealed for the journey ahead. The same white rice, now fed into the powder mill. Soaked first, moisture absorbed before grinding begins.
Wet ground to a fine slurry, the first stage of powder making.
Filtered smooth, every coarse particle removed. Water spun out, wet rice cake, ready for drying. Flash dried instantly, moisture gone in seconds. Ground to a fine powder, finer with every pass through the mill. Sifted through every mesh, coarse, medium, and fine, all separated. Nothing wasted. Coarser particles sent back for another grind. Perfectly fine, bright white. Rice powder, ready by the ton. Stored in massive silos. Millions of tons, ready for packaging. Weighed with precision, every portion exact, every single time. Filled by the thousands, 500 grams at a time, non-stop.